Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, there are different ways to express concentration. As you can see on your screen, there are total many ways, but we will describe a few of them. So as you can see, there are many ways to describe concentration, in which the first one is percentage by mass, the second is percentage by volume, the third is mole fraction, the next one is molarity, and the next one is molality, and the last one is parts per million, means ppm. So let's see the first one, that is percentage by mass. So this is the formula to describe the percentage of mass. So let me tell you the definition, or what does percentage by mass means. A normal thing, that is percentage by mass means that amount of solute present in the amount of solution in terms of weight. As you can see, the formula is percentage by mass is weight of solute divided by weight of solute plus weight of solvent. And what does weight of solute and weight of solvent means? It means the weight of solution itself multiply by 100. Why? Because we are taking the percentage of it. The next one is percentage by volume. It is same as percentage by weight, only the difference is instead of weight we will take the volume as a parameter. So in this case, as we can see, percentage by weight is nothing but volume of solute divided by volume of solute plus volume of solvent, which makes a total of volume of solution multiplied by 100. The next part is mole fraction. This is the most important thing that we should learn. Why? Because it has various concepts in it and various formulas in it. So before knowing what is mole fraction, we should know what is mole. And as we know, there are two components, that is solute and solvent. So the number of moles will be also distributed for the both of them. That is, so mole fraction is denoted by X. But before describing mole fraction, we should know the each and every value present in it. And what are those? They are number of moles. And what are number of moles? The number of moles are distributed for two parts, that is for solute also and for solvent also. So let us see each one by one. So the first one is number of moles of solvent can be described by Na, where N is number of moles and A is for solvent. So therefore, the number of moles means weight divided by molecular weight. This is the formula that we know. But instead, in this case, we are distributed in A and A, means we are specifically saying about mole fraction of solvent itself. Now the next one is number of moles of solute. It is described by Nb and has a formula weight of solvent divided by molecular weight of solvent. That means Wb divided by Mb. So this is number of moles of solvent and this is number of moles of solute. And what the main content, our main content is mole fraction. And even the mole fraction is distributed into two parts, that is mole fraction of solute and mole fraction of solvent, which are here as follows. The mole fraction of solvent is denoted by Xa, and Xa has a formula, or basically it is the ratio of number of moles of solvent divided by the number of moles of each component present in the solution. And what are those components? There are two components, as we know. They are number of moles of solvent as well as number of moles of solute, which means Xa has a formula of Xa is equals to Na divided by Na plus Nb. Similarly, when we talk about number of moles or mole fraction of solute, then we have Xb is equals to Nb divided by Na plus Nb, means it is the ratio of the number of moles of solute to the total number of moles present in the solution. And how many moles are present in the solution? There are distributed into two parts, that is the mole of solute and the mole of solvent, which makes the formula Xb is equals to Nb divided by Na plus Nb. Moving to the next one, molarity. This is the main thing that we are going to learn now. So as we did what is number of moles? Now we'll switch to molarity. This is the main unit that we have taken in every chemistry lab that we have seen. 1 molar of HCl, 2 molar of HCl. So this is the main thing that we are going to learn it now. The first one is, what is molarity? Molarity means the number of moles of solute particles dissolved in the volume of solution present in dm cube. Let us elaborate each and every one. Molarity means number of moles of solute dissolved in volume of solution in dm cube, and in this case dm cube means liter. So therefore NB divided by volume of solution in dm cube, and we can elaborate this NB as WB divided by MB into volume of solution, and hence these are the various things to describe the molarity of a solution. Moving to the next one. This is molality. Molality means the number of moles of solute dissolved in weight of solvent in kg, and in this case the molarity and molality, the both starts with M, but this has a symbol of small m. So therefore the number of moles of solute can be written as NB divided by WA in kg. And what does NB means? NB means weight divided by molecular weight of solute. So therefore WB divided by MB multiplied by WA in kg, and hence we can calculate the number of molality of a solution. The both units are very essential, that is molarity and molality. The both are very essential in our day-to-day life and in chemical industries also. Moving to the next one. This one is parts per million, and this unit are taken for those substances whose concentration is very less. For example, you cannot distinguish the amount of oxygen present in seawater, as the seawater consists of 5.6 gram present in 1 million of water, 1 million liter of water. So therefore we are describing it in this way. So parts per million is nothing but the weight or volume of a solute which is dissolved in weight of volume of a solution in 1 million. So therefore the formula becomes parts per million is equals to weight of or volume of solute dissolved in weight or volume of solution in 1 million. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you have liked this video and you would like to share with your friends too. So don't forget to subscribe ekeeda.com, and thank you and watch it again. Thank you so much.